Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon Prime membership from monthly to yearly. Switching to an annual plan can often save you money in the long run, so let's walk through exactly how to make this change. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, look up at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, select Prime Membership. This will take you directly to the section where you can manage everything related to your Prime subscription. Now, I don't currently have an active Prime membership on this account, but I'll still guide you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to expect when you have one. Once you're on the Prime membership page, navigate to the section labeled Your Prime Membership in the top menu. This is where Amazon displays all the details about your current subscription, including your billing cycle and membership benefits. Next, look for the area that says Current Prime Plan. You'll notice an option nearby that says See More Plans. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a page showing you the different membership options available, including both monthly and annual plans. Here's where you'll make the actual switch. From the available options, select Annual. This plan typically charges you once a year instead of every month, and it usually comes with a discount compared to paying monthly. Once you've selected the annual option, Amazon will prompt you to confirm the change. Click Continue or Confirm to save your new plan selection. At this point, your membership will be set to renew annually instead of monthly. Keep in mind that on some accounts, Amazon may show the annual plan as the only available upgrade choice right away. On other accounts, you might need to first open the payment options screen before the yearly plan appears as a selectable option. Either way, the process remains straightforward once you locate the plan options. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your Amazon Prime membership from a monthly billing cycle to an annual one, which can help you save money over time while still enjoying all the same Prime benefits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.